Hello and welcome. In this video we are discussing about design patterns in Java. Factory method design pattern. Components of factory method design pattern. So the main components of factory design pattern are creator. This is an abstract class or an interface that declares the factory method. The creator typically contains a method that serves as a factory for creating objects. It may also contain other methods that work with the created objects. Concrete creator. Concrete creator classes are subclasses of the creator that implement the factory method to create specific types of objects. And each concrete creator is responsible for creating a particular product. Product. This is the interface or abstract class for the objects that the factory method creates. And the product defines the common interface for all objects that the factory method can create. Concrete product. Concrete product classes are the actual objects that the factory method creates, and each concrete product class implements the product interface or extends the product abstract class. So, factory method design example. Consider a software application that needs to handle the creation of various types of vehicles, such as two-wheelers, three-wheelers, and four-wheelers, and each type of vehicle has its own specific properties and behavior. So, issues with the client design. The client class creates two-wheeler and four-wheeler objects directly based on input. And this strong dependency makes the code hard to maintain or update. The client class not only decides which vehicle to create but also handles its life cycle. And this mixes responsibilities which goes against the principle that a class should only have one reason to change. To add a new vehicle type, you must modify the client class, which makes it difficult to scale the design. And this conflicts with the idea that classes should be open for extension but closed for modification. Solution to the problem. Define a factory interface. Create an interface vehicle factory with a method to produce vehicles. Create specific factories. Implement classes like two-wheeler factory and four-wheeler factory that allow the vehicle factory interface, providing methods for each vehicle type. Revise the client class. Change the client class to use a vehicle factory instance instead of creating vehicles directly. This way it can request vehicles without using conditional logic. Enhance flexibility. This structure allows for easy addition of new vehicle types by simply creating new factory classes without needing to alter existing client code. So this was a brief discussion on factory design pattern. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now.